Dragonfruit mojito. Thanks for watching. Hello, welcome to Drink of the Day with Wes. My name is Wes, and today's drink of the day is a mojito, but it's going to be different. We're going to make a variation of the mojito, so I present to you the Dragonfruit mojito. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let's get started. And like I said, this mojito is a variation. It's called the Dragonfruit mojito. So for this drink, you're going to need, I'm going to use dragonberry rum, fresh lime juice, some simple syrup, and lemon lime soda, and of course, dragon fruit. This right here is what's called a dragon fruit. You can pick it up at your local grocery store. It's grown anywhere, and it's very good. It's actually a very interesting little item. So that's going to be the star of this drink. So, and I'm going to show you what it looks like on the inside. This is why I have it sitting here. So let's go ahead and get started. I've already got my serving glass filled with ice as it's chilling. We're going to set that to the side, and we're going to shake this in my mixing tin. We're going to add all the ingredients first. Let's add our spirit. 2 ounces of dragonberry rum. And also, with this drink, we're going to add fresh mint. Alright, so now we need 3/4 of an ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice. Perfect. Right at 3/4. Beautiful. Alright. Equal parts, 3/4 of an ounce of simple syrup, which is liquid sugar, water. Okay. Beautiful. Okay. Now we're going to add in our mint. Get a handful of mint leaves here. Anywhere between like 10 to 12 leaves. Smack them to wake them up to release all their minty aromas. Alright, drop them in. Okay. Now, we'll set that to the side, and we're going to cut this baby open so you can see what is inside a dragon fruit. And that right there is the inside of a dragon fruit. It's white with black seeds. Very good. And there's actually a lot of health benefits behind this if you're ever interested. So we're going to take my bar spoon and scoop out a couple of pieces right here. Let's do 4 nice big pieces. Alright. So now we're going to take what's called a muddler, and we're going to crush the dragon fruit, but you also got to be careful. There's mint in here. You do not want to pulverize the mint, because pulverizing the mint will release chlorophyll and it'll make the drink taste bitter and unpleasant. So we're going to tap. Crush up the dragon fruit. Okay, just about got it. This is one of them drinks that if you're working at a bar, or if you're working at some kind, if you're bartending at some kind of get together, this drink takes a little bit longer to make, so this may not be fit for the menu, especially if you are having or expecting a lot of people. But since it's here at my house, I got all the time in the world. So now we got all the ingredients in my shaker. So I'm gonna fill it up with ice, and I'm gonna shake it up. I'll be right back. I filled up the glass with ice, and now we're gonna shake it up. That should do it. Because again, you don't want to pulverize the mint. So get my serving glass ready. Perfect. Alright. Now we're going to strain on top of the ice. And there's many different ways of making mojitos. This is a cleaner way of doing it. And you see what's happening here. It's got a little greenish color and a little piece of dragon fruit seeds floating in it. It'll work, because if you do it another way, it'll take longer and it won't look near as clean as this. So now we got enough room. Go ahead and top it off with lemon lime soda. Very refreshing. You can use soda water, but I prefer lemon lime soda. Just add a straw. Okay. We're going to garnish with a lime. We're going to stick the lime right in there. And see, little mint, small mint leaf. We'll tap it to wake it up. Okay, we'll put that right here if I can get it in there. Okay, beautiful. And put the straw behind the lime. All right. Now, to make it look more like dragon fruit mojito, cut a little piece of the skin off the dragon fruit right here. And we're going to put that right there by the mint. Put it closer so you can see it. Beautiful. And this right here, ladies and gentlemen, is your dragon fruit mojito. And then we have your dragon fruit mojito. Let's have a little taste. Cheers. Beautiful. That is a perfect, well-balanced drink. If you're interested in mojito, if you like mojitos and you're thinking about changing things up, making variations, I recommend try dragon fruit. So there you have the dragon fruit mojito. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Be sure to like my video, subscribe to my channel, and comments on my video. And y'all just have a great week, a safe night, and we'll see you next time. God bless you.